Hey guys, I'm Chelsea from the Black Pearl, and today I'm here with Lyre's. We're going to teach you how to make a non-alcoholic espresso martini. Espresso martinis are probably one of the most popular cocktails. Today with Lyre, I'm going to teach you how to make a non-alcoholic espresso martini in your own home, also with 75% less calories. So we're going to take a shaker. So we're going to work in the smaller tin. We're going to use 45 mils of the coffee Originale. So this here is going to give you some coffee flavor. It's also going to give you some more of that chocolate coming through. Next, we're going to take the white cane. So this one here will give you a little bit more fruitiness to it. It's also going to give you a little bit of coconut coming through. Just 15 mils. Next, we use 5 mils of vanilla syrup. That's going to give you a little bit of sweetness. And finally, we're going to grab 60 mils of coffee. This one here we've taken from St. Ali. They're a local Melbourne coffee producer. Let's pour that in there. So now we're going to give the cocktail a bit of a shake without any ice. So we're going to take our other tin, put it on top. This is just going to act to aerate the cocktail and really give you that nice foamy head we're going to find later. Alright. You can just see all that foam coming through. So now we're going to add a bit of ice. And we're going to shake it down. This is going to dilute the cocktail a little bit and also make it nice and cold. Okay, just going to grab our glass. And we want to double strain it. So double straining it means use 2 strainers, including a fine strainer. It just gets rid of all those extra ice chunks. So now you can garnish it with whatever you like. Personally, my favorite is some dark bittersweet chocolate. Just grate that over the top there. There you have it. It's the Lyre's non-alcoholic espresso martini. For more recipes and to shop the entire range, go to lyres.co.